What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fly helicopters in Battlefield 6. First, when helicopter control assist is turned on, you'll see it displayed underneath your helicopter on the screen. With assist enabled, flying becomes much simpler. You press R1 or RB to go up, L1 or LB to go down, and the helicopter auto levels for you. You just look where you wanna aim and start firing. It's much easier than using the standard controls. To turn this on, open options, go to controller, select edit settings by pressing Y or triangle, scroll down to helicopters and open control settings. Then switch on the first option, helicopter controls assist. Now here's what it looks like when assist is turned off. Hovering becomes tricky cause you are manually controlling everything. Your left thumbstick moves the helicopter left, right, up and down. Your right stick controls pitch forward and backward. It can feel like flying a drone with no hover feature, and keeping yourself steady takes a lot more effort. With assist on, all that difficulty goes away and you get a smooth, easy to control helicopter experience. If this helped you out, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.